should see the things we do, baby.
Hey guys, my name is LeBouef and I'm super excited that you clicked on this video. If you're new here to my channel, you should definitely subscribe down below. But the exciting part about this video, not only that it's a Valentine's Day makeup look, but also because it is going to be a collaboration video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm so excited to finally be filming this because this is in collaboration with Jenelle. She is here on YouTube and her YouTube channel is called EB&J. It is with her and her husband. They are just so cute, and if you love just watching lifestyle vlogs involving couples and things like that, totally check out her channel. She's gonna be doing a Valentine's Day hairstyle video, and I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup video. This can be great for a night out with your girls on Valentine's Day or a date night with your man. So once you're done watching this video, you can go ahead and head over to hers for some inspiration for hair. If you're coming from her channel, I'm just so excited that you're here and then clicked on this video. And if you do try out this makeup look, let me know down in the comments or on my Instagram. I will have all of her social media links down below, as well as her YouTube video, of course. So follow her, follow me, and yeah. Don't forget to give this video a like because it really supports my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. For this look, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. It's definitely beat up. You can tell that I use this all the time. It's so awesome. I'm taking the lightest shade and I'm putting that all over my lid and on the brow bone. I'm then taking the warm taupe shade and putting it on a fluffy crease brush and blending it out, focusing it on the outer corner. Then I decided to warm it up a bit with this burnt orange color. Here comes some Valentine's Day fun. I'm taking this really pretty pink slash violet-y shade and I'm using that on the outer corner. This color is gonna look great on so many eye colors. So yeah, it's gonna really make your eyes pop for date night. Then I'm taking this pretty gold shade and I'm using my finger to dab it onto the center of my eye, and then I'm gonna blend it into that pink color. And finishing up with eyeshadow, I'm using this really pretty light shimmery shade, and this is going in the inner corner and blending into that gold. Now I'm just putting on some winged eyeliner. Then I put on these false lashes, and these are from Eylure. I'll try and link them down below. And I feel like for this little eye look, I wanted to do a wide awake look, so I just used a nude eyeliner. Alright guys, so I've put on my foundation and concealer, and actually I tried out the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. It is new and I did film it, so I will link it up in the cards here if it's already on my channel and uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my face. I already put on a lip pencil and lipstick. This is the lip pencil from MAC in the color Soar, and then I have the Cream in Your Coffee lipstick from MAC on my lips. I'm just taking the Hoola by Benefit contour shade and contouring. And taking the Give Me Sun bronzer from MAC, just putting that on the cheeks to warm it up. And for a Valentine's Day look, I thought a pinky blush would be good. This is not too pink, but it's a doable pink, if you know what I'm saying. This is a blush by MAC in the color Pinch Me. And last but not least, we gotta use some highlight, also by MAC. This video has a lot of MAC things in it. This is the Soft and Gentle. I feel like it's such a pretty light highlight, especially for a date night, something where you wanna be glowing. It is really light, so it's not gonna be too gold, since we didn't use too much gold in the eyeshadow. Alright, and the look is complete. Alright guys, and that is it for this tutorial. Once again, make sure to subscribe if you're new and if you came from Jenelle's channel, and definitely check her video out as well, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!